Hello, welcome to RecruitGo. I'm Jan, and I'll be showing you how to add employee in the AOR app. From the app dashboard, click on Employees. Next, click on Pending Onboarding. Then select Start Hiring. Choose the country where you want to add your employees. After selecting the country, just input the required employee informations, such as basic information, personal information, payroll information, employment information, schedule and responsibilities, deductions, compensations. You can also upload the documents of your employee. After completing the form, click Mark as complete to save it, and it will send to our team for verifications. Once verified, it will be tagged as complete, and you will be able to view the employee on your dashboard. Thank you for joining the quick tour and being a valued partner. If you need any help, you may reach us at support@recruitgo.com.